Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted a nice product called a StarLine i96 on a VW Passat 2016. The customer's a bit paranoid about them cloning the key, starting the vehicle up and taking it away. So how the system works, it has two forms of authorization. It uses a push button sequence override, or it uses a Bluetooth tag. So you can have a tag or a phone as a tag. I'm just going to run through quickly how it works. When you turn on the ignition, you'll start getting a bleep where it's searching for the tag or it's waiting for a push sequence. On here we've selected something very simple. Just 4 pushes of this, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, you've got a different bleep, and now we're able to start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. If we turn off the ignition now, and we leave it for about 30 seconds, it will actually go into an immobilized state. So if I then try and start it, you'll see that the vehicle won't start. So we'll wait 30 seconds for it to sit. Okay, now if we go and start the vehicle, there you go, vehicle's cut out and it won't start. So it's looking for authorization. So what we do is we turn off the ignition, turn the ignition back on, into our push sequence. There you go, bleep to confirm that the code is correct. Start the vehicle. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. Also, this has the facility to change the code. So if you wanted to change the code, what you basically do, assuming you've got a form of authorization that's active, i.e. the 4-digit PIN code to disarm the system, or you've got a tag that's present, the system has to be in a disarm state. So what you do is you turn on the ignition. Just bear with me a second, we'll actually turn on the Bluetooth tag just to put it in a disarm state. So if we now turn on the Bluetooth tag, the Bluetooth tag is now on. So we turn on the ignition, giving us a confirmation to tell us the code has been inserted or the tag is present, and we go through a push sequence. So basically, to teach it a new code, you turn on the ignition, system disarms by the Bluetooth tag, hit the Valet button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ignition off, ignition back on. Just been given 5 bleeps. So now we're going to select these buttons here. So we're going to go that button there, that button there, that button there, that button there. We know it can be used because we're getting a bleep. We pause for 3 seconds. It's given us 2 double bleeps to say it's accepted it. Now we want to repeat the same code again. So 1, 2. We get 2 double bleeps. There you go, code has now been learnt. So now if I turn off the Bluetooth on the actual phone, and then we turn on the ignition, trying to remember the code, I think it was that. There you go, it's accepted, new code has been learnt. Start the vehicle. Really clever bit of kit. Now I'm going to show you the actual phone, so as a form of authorization rather than having to insert the actual code. So now on here we have an authorization tag. If we now turn on the ignition, if we turn on the Bluetooth, we go to settings, turn on Bluetooth. There you go, you just heard it go, give us a double bleep. Now we just start the vehicle. No insertion of any push button sequence procedure, just gone straight in. Also, you have to download an app called StarLine Key. Now we've actually got a green circle going around the outside. If you want to take the vehicle for a service and you don't want to disclose the code or give them the phone, you can place it into Valet mode. The way you do that is push and hold till it goes amber. The system is now in Valet mode, giving us 2 double bleeps, which means we don't have to insert a code and we don't have to give the phone in. So basically now if we jump in and start it, vehicle will start, no problem at all. Don't have to give them the phone. When you get the car back again, we just push and hold the app till it returns back to green. Got 2 double bleeps telling us it's now out of Valet mode. Tag is present. There you go, heard a double bleep. Put your foot and start. Really clever, really straightforward. Great bit of kit, loads of features. Hope you found this video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.